Hi, you are welcome again in Arduino Learning Lecture Series. Today we will discuss about raindrop sensor. So we will demonstrate this concept with the help of mini project which will be simulated on Proteus software. So let's start this video. To demonstrate our project, just we need to open Proteus software. So open it. Here just you have to create a new project. So click on new project and rename it with raindrop sensor. Click on next, again next, and finish this project. Here you can see your workspace area is created. Now we need some components. First we required Arduino Mega. So for that purpose you have to click on component mode. After that you have to click on pick devices here and type keyword for Arduino Mega. Here you will get options for Arduino Mega. So you have to choose Arduino Mega 2560 and click on OK. Again we required rain sensor. Here you can see this is the rain sensor. So click on OK to select it. When you will click on OK, the sensors and devices will be added in your devices list. Again we required LED. So type here LED and choose LED Aqua from your devices list and click on OK. So here three components will be added in your device list and we require these three. So let's explain about rain sensor. This is your rain sensor. What is the work of this? This is the area on which when the raindrop falls, then it reads, sense that and send information to this board. This is driver for this, and here you will be able to see some pins. This is output pin, this is ground, and this is VCC. As you know, these two pins are power supply pins, and output pins, this is the sensor output pin. When rain is sensed on this area, then the output will just become high, or whatever the amount of water will fall here, it will just give the output according to that. Means you can take output as analog and as well as digital signal also. So now it's turn to place Arduino Mega in our workspace area. So click on Arduino Mega and drop here and rotate it clockwise so that the orientation should be portrait. Now it's turn to demonstrate our LED with Arduino Mega. So here you have to click for LED to place in workspace area. As you can see, here LED is placed. Now what is the working flow of our project? Our working project concept is when what rain drops should fall on this sense area, so it should send an information to Arduino Mega, and Arduino Mega should just turn on LED. This will be the flow of our project. So let's make connections. Now it's turn to connect wires with Arduino Mega. We will connect our LED on pin number 13. You can connect on any pin. According to that, just you need to configure your Mega pin on Proteus software as well as in your Arduino IDE. So as you can see, LED is connected now. Second thing, we just required ground. For that purpose you need to move in terminal mode. Here you will get some power options. So click on ground and just drop it in your workspace area and connect to LED negative pins. Now here we required logic toggle so that we can just give input from raindrop sensor. For that purpose you need to move in component mode and click on pick devices. Here type for logic toggle. You will find here logic toggle. So click on OK and just select logic toggle from device list and drop in workspace area. Here connect test pin of your sensor with logic toggle. Here now we need to just power up our raindrop sensor. For that purpose move in terminal mode. Here you will get ground and power supply. So click on ground and drop it in your workspace area and connect the ground of your sensor with ground and choose here for power options and connect your power to VCC pin of your raindrop sensor and rotate it 180 degrees so that we can connect VCC of raindrop sensor with 5 volt supply easily. Here we will just take output of raindrop sensor on the pin number, whatever the pin you want to choose you can choose. Just we will connect the output of raindrop sensor to the pin number 2 of Arduino Mega. So connect it. So output is connected with Arduino Mega now. Here one more thing you have to just do. For power option we need to define 5 volt. So click on design. Here you will get an option for configure power nails. Click on that. Now you have to choose here VCC